Hey, what's up guys? So I've got Samsung Galaxy S25 FE here with me, and there are a couple of things about this device that I'm really excited about, which I'll talk about later on in this video. But first, let's go ahead and unbox this phone. There it is. I've got it in jet black color because it was looking really cool and the navy blue was all sold out. So that's the device. It has a very similar look to Galaxy S25 Ultra. It has those rounded edges. We've got 3 cameras here. I really like this theme of jet black and silver. So there is that. So here we have a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, 50 megapixel wide camera, and then 8 megapixel telephoto camera. And at the front, we have this beautiful display. It's a 6.7-inch AMOLED panel, and then at the top we have a 12 megapixel camera on this phone, and it has a 4900 milliamp hour battery, and the processor is Exynos 2400, which is a 4 nanometer processor, which will be interesting to see. We have that floating design for the cameras, and this is the phone as compared to Galaxy S24 Ultra. Very comparable in size. Alright guys, so it's all set up and here it is. Galaxy S25 FE, and it has everything that you are looking for, and something that I am excited about is this. It's running on One UI version 8. Even the main Galaxy S25 Ultra has not received that update yet, but we have One UI 8 on S25 FE, and that really excites me. I am really looking forward to exploring what's new in One UI 8 and how capable this phone is. So if you want to know more about this phone, definitely subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. So it has all the major AI features that Samsung has in its other flagship devices. So if you go in Galaxy AI, you can see that we have almost all the features there. We have call assist, writing assist, interpreter, note assist, transcript assist, browsing assist, photo assist, and a lot of other assists. We also have now brief, and then you also have the option to process data on the device. So nothing leaves your device, nothing goes to the cloud, and that is for your privacy. And if you go in here, you also get the drawing assist. So here you can draw anything, you can prompt it to draw any image, you can add any image from your gallery, and I'm gonna play around with it in detail in upcoming videos, so definitely drop your questions in the comments below. One feature that I was really looking forward to on this phone was the availability of the dynamic lock, but it seems like it's not available. Now this does seem like the dynamic clock, but it doesn't seem to function. So if I go in the settings, tap on it, you can see here that it does change shape. So this is dynamic clock, but if I select it and increase it in size, press done, go back, it does not change or shift according to the wallpaper. So that is something that I didn't get why it's not working. Maybe it's something that Samsung has just reserved for its flagship devices, but this definitely is the dynamic clock version. It's just not working on these wallpapers. I've tried a couple of others, it just doesn't work, so that's disappointing. But other than that, it all looks great to me. So yeah, that's it from this unboxing video of Galaxy S25 FE. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.